So, is this the best mall you've ever seen?
No, it's the deadest mall I've ever seen.
It's kind of weird, ain't it? It's kind of like you got the nice Barnes & Noble right there.
After more than 3 decades, the Midland's movie theater closing their doors. Regal Cinemas has shut down its theater atop the Richland Mall. They opened in 1990. That means the mall is now home to just 2 businesses, Barnes & Noble and Belk. It was recently announced that the mall may soon be undergoing redesign and redevelopment, but no definitive plans have been released.
All right, so we got a very nice built Barnes & Noble right there. They actually have a cafe and a Starbucks inside too.
Yeah.
And then look to your right. You got a Belk, and that's it.
That's it, just these 2. And the rest of it was abandoned looking down there.
Look at that.
And then you got that, it's abandoned looking over there. So we're going to go walk over here and check this out before we go to Barnes. That one looks like it used to be like a movie theater or something. What's that? Let's cross over. Let's cross over.
You scared the Jesus out of me. That made me curse.
Oh my goodness. Curse.
I'm just kidding. I wouldn't curse.
Our first stop of the abandoned mall, or the dead mall, if you will, is this old rustic seafood sign. We're gonna take a little look inside.
Nice.
Take a little look inside of here. Oh wow! Obviously. Man, Coca-Cola didn't even know they were shutting down. It'd be awesome if we can go in here. Can we? You can see it up there.
Richland Mall.
We need to find out if we can get in there.
Time to go in the beautiful Barnes & Noble.
Tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. So Carmen found some Queen Elizabeth books here.
Just a bunch of stuff with her.
Yeah, her life. Legacy, if you will. 96 years old. Lived a good life, that's for sure.
Yep.
Come across this section here. The Sandman universe. It's Lucifer. The Fallen Sun. Must be like this stuff. Never heard of it. Huh. Got some D&D action here. You wanna get some D&D cards one day? Ages 12 and up. Look at that. How much is that? That's like that's almost, obviously it's a little bit bigger.
25.
It's a little bit bigger, but that's like the real box that the tapes came in. Obviously,
Side effects.
Dang.
The guessing game with an extra dose of absurdity.
Yeah, that's some big pills, I bet. Hot Ones game.
Oh my gosh.
The Hot Ones. What is that? Oh, Game of Thrones? That's cute.
Dusty Bun.
Oh, Dusty. That's a good one of them, actually, though. Right here is the mall. Got an old car sitting there. Guess it's all closed down. Hey. Look at that old car.
I know, I saw it, Steve. What was that came from?
Huh?
I wonder where that came from.
I don't know.
Hey, look at that thing over there in the back. Looks like cameras. Oh, they're using this for like a filming.
I bet you they are.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Look at this. But that's like the light poles.
Yeah, I think Hulk came in here and got over too loud.
I know, right? Look at that.
Looks like something from a horror movie.
It does.
I hear church bells.
Yeah. Look at all this right here. I wonder what happened. There's a cranny, a little nook and cranny up there. See it? All right, we kind of got ran away from the other parking deck that was really cool looking, decayed. So this is level G of the abandoned, dead mall. Richland Mall. I wonder what this used to be. And so this like the main entrance. There was like a restaurant over there. Yeah, I see a car up there. Some kind of inflatable car. Obviously, you can see the decay there. It's starting to do the same thing. It's starting to do the same thing that did. I'd like to know what the story was about this. Because Miles was dying anyways, you know. I wonder if this used to be J.C. Penney.
I was thinking it used to be a theater. Jason Penney, probably. There's an elevator in there.
Does it? Be careful.
Oh yeah, that's really good. Just let us come over here. We can just take the wood down and get attached really well.
Piggly Wiggly. See the elevator. This is Richland Mall in South Carolina. Didn't really plan to do no video, especially on a dead mall, that's for sure. So we got ran away from one area, but he did say we could come on this area, right? That's what he said. So see if Mr. Golf Cart Man comes rolling up again. No, I don't see him yet.
That's where he was.
I know. Hey, somebody's got a package. No, that's just wood. In the bathrooms.
Yeah.
They can make a good Stranger Things here, can't they?
It says it's for lease.
You can see over there, it's got some boarded up doors.
Parts of one mall in the Midlands had to be evacuated today. News 19's Nick Jones found out why this happened and if people were able to go back inside.
Just a few hours ago, people evacuated from these doors from parts of the Richland Mall because of bug spray. Now, some employees tell me they received a notice that there were going to be some pesticide work overnight, and this morning when they came in, they were sick because of the fumes. Around 100,000 square feet of the mall had to be evacuated. Chief Aubrey Jenkins with the Columbia Fire Department says hazmat crews were on scene to determine that this was not a life-threatening situation.
Looks like they got lights on the inside of the top. I guess maybe a week or something.
What was that came from?
Huh?
I wonder where that came from.
I don't know. It's
Look
okay.
at that thing over there in the back. Looks like cameras. Oh, they're using this for like a filming.
I bet you they are.
Yeah, that's what